I'm still taller Koa. Hi, my name is Orey, and we're baking a cake for my little brother named Koa. So, what cake are we cooking today? Or making today, baking today?
Chocolate.
Yeah, we're making a chocolate fudge cake. How old are you turning?
5.
Yeah, and I'm turning, well, I already turned. I'm 11. We are making the Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix, chocolate fudge. Now it's time to get our ingredients. We will need 1 cup of water.
Yeah, we need
3 eggs. A half a cup of vegetable oil. So let's go.
Okay.
Look at what we got. The vegetable oil. And now it's time to look at the instructions as the first step. It says heat oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have your parents along, and I guess we're heating to it. And while we wait for the oven to heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, let's go grease this thing. But first, make sure you wash your hands. You take this and you rub it everywhere, okay? Grease the pan, buddy.
Every single aisle.
Grease the sides, Koa. Okay, it's time to open the box. This thing is hard to open. I'm so bad at opening boxes.
You're so good at opening boxes, silly.
Thank you, Koa. Oh, look at this cake mix. Okay, time to cut it open.
Just open it.
How do I open it, Koa? There it is. I never tried to. Okay, let's pour it in. Oh God. Okay, there we go.
Push it all up.
We're gonna try to get every one last bit. Next step. Mix cake mix. Water, oil, and eggs into a large bowl with the mixer.
Oh,
okay, now it's time for 3 eggs. Go crack it.
I can't.
Like that. Oh God, I'm bad at cracking it. There we go. Number 1. Okay, my turn.
You're very good at cracking.
Now 3. No, you're not getting away from me, you little egg. Cake pop. Oh God. Oh no.
And don't forget to wash your hands again.
Okay, we're back. Let's just put it on.
Trial lock.
Okay, time to stir it up. Oh God, it's going fast. Time to get all that cake batter in.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Let's go. It's working.
It looks like chocolate poop. Chocolate cake.
Okay, I'm just. Oh, cool. Stop.
I love you. I love you too. Looks like it's very good. You're very good at taking off stuff.
I guess we take this out somehow. There we go. I guess this is all mixed. Let's put it in the pan.
Yeah, I love what you're doing.
Okay, time to pour the chocolate mix into this pan. Oh, that's so satisfying.
I love what you're doing.
We're gonna smooth this out later. Just gonna collect all that batter in the back.
So many chocolate.
Well, it's officially time. We have 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess we put it in the oven. Okay.
That was so loud.
I guess we do it for like a 28 to 33 minutes. Let's go. Start. Let's wait for this thing to go. Okay, we're putting on and we're frosting milk chocolate frosting from the creamery. Kit Kat's Fin, Smarties Mega, Sweetest Fish, one of my best things growing up, and I'm still growing up. Turbo's Berries, and Rainbow Sprinkles.
So octopuses, rainbow sprinkles, sprinkle hearts, rainbow nerds,
Mini marshmallows.
mini marshmallows.
Oh yeah, we almost forgot to show this. Spidey cereal. Now let's go take it out. 1, 2, 3.
2 hands.
I have to make sure that this thing is done. So if it comes out wet, it's not done. But if it comes out clean, it's good. That's it. Is that wet?
This side.
We can't decorate until this is cooled down. We're gonna wait 45 to an hour.
One hour later.
The cake is cool. It's time to decorate. Ooh, it looks so satisfying. So we're gonna frost together around this, but once we're decorating, he's gonna have this side and I'm gonna have this side. So let's get frosting. You dip your knife in there, butter knife. No, you have one. You have my butter knife.
I don't know where it is.
Right there.
There. Oh.
And now this is how you do it. Just like that. Okay.
Drop more.
I need to take some more.
Oh, so satisfying.
Oh, so satisfying. Oh, why is it breaking? I don't know why it's breaking. This looks yummy. Ooh, this is so cool. I love this. I love you doing it. We're making a chocolate frosty mountain on the cake. I love you. Mountain. We're not going to do the whole cake, but I'm going to have one side.
Okay, we're done.
We're done already.
We're gonna put the happy birthday sign. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now time to put the 5. Now hold it together.
Put it here.
Okay.
There, yeah.
Now time to decorate. Okay, Koa, you get this side and decorate. I can get this side. And the last stuff. I just want to sit.
Don't take all the berries, because I need some.
Okay, now time for the Swedish fish. Let's go. I'm going for an outer rim design.
And let's do Kit Kats. I'm making the candy farm.
Octopus.
I got tentacle heckles.
Let's go. Oh, these ones I'm excited for.
This cake is so cool.
Let's go. Come on. Do you want cereal or marshmallows?
Marshmallow.
And like this.
Oh, my birthday hat came off. I don't need it.
Marshmallows.
Sprinkle it all here. It's like a nerd ocean.
Let's use this one now.
Yay!
Which color?
I want blue.
Make some.
Damn. Are you done? Ori, do you want to eat your cake now?
Happy birthday, Koa!
Do I do it?
Go, which slice do you want on any of these?
I like the octopus, the fish dish. Was digging.
It's like a big mud plate.
I'm digging in already. Oh, wow. That's the best ever.
Let's try it.
For a second time.
So sugary.
It is so sugary. I love sugary.
Thank you for watching with us, guys. Thank you for watching our first video with Orey and Koa. Well, yeah, I'm Orey, he's Koa, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.